I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Subaru Ascent key fob battery. First, gather your materials. You'll need a new CR 2032 coin cell battery and a small flathead screwdriver. This common battery type is readily available. Ensure you have a clean, well-lit workspace to avoid losing any small parts. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership and is quite straightforward. Now let's open the key fob. Begin by pressing the small release button on the side and pulling out the emergency key. This reveals a small notch. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should separate. Take care not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. Once open, you'll see the old battery. With the key fob open, observe how the old battery is positioned. It's crucial to note the positive and negative sides. Gently pry out the old CR 2032 battery. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Make sure it sits snugly in its compartment for proper contact. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Don't forget to slide the emergency key back into its slot. Now, test your key fob to ensure all buttons are functioning correctly. You should be able to lock, unlock, and start your vehicle without issue. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those fantastic socks. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.